Hello guys! Today with a new episode of Crypto Milad. Today it's 3 October 2024, the third day of October. Let's see what the markets are doing, guys. Let's analyze the markets together and try to get the best result conclusion about the market, because how you guys know, Bitcoin is pulling down. It's pulling down and let's see for how far it can go. We're gonna analyze that together, and we're gonna analyze, guys, Hoppy. We're gonna take a look at Hoppy because Hoppy is pumping, guys. Hoppy, it's the only coin almost that is pumping. Let's go to the charts, guys. How you can see a lot of coins in the red. You see a lot of coins are in the red, but guys, Hoppy, it's pumping again. It's pumping again. So let's see what it's gonna do. But we keep it after the Bitcoin charts because Bitcoin is at a critical level now, guys. For the Bitcoin followers, we are in a critical level, guys. Let's go to the weekly together. The weekly chart, guys. We are in this downward sloping channel still for more than 7 months. So let's see how far this can take this downward sloping channel. How you guys know, we expected to gather this pullback from here where the bears was defending their territorium around 66,000, 67,000. We made a pullback. We made until now a significant pullback, guys. From the high here, to the low, it was exactly 9%, 54.54. So almost 10%, guys. We had a pullback of 10%. For some people, that's a lot. For some people, not. I think we can make a little more, go a little bit more down. Sorry, guys. A sip of the coffee. Analyzing Bitcoin with coffee. It's the most important things for me, guys. As you guys already know, I love the coffee. And I love when the Bitcoin price go up, but when it goes down, we also get opportunities, guys. We have always opportunities. It's in our hands if Bitcoin will go down or up. That's not in our hands, but it's in our hands what we do. So we should focus on what we can control. We should not focus on what we cannot control, because the price of the market we can never control. Nobody can control that. Maybe one person in this world can do that. I don't know who is that. But the most people cannot control the Bitcoin price. So we should make a plan. With this plan, we should try to make profits, guys, and not lose our money to the big whales' hands, because the big whales are greedy. They want all the money from the little guys. Let's take a look. Okay, so we are at the weekly charts. We are making a pullback. It doesn't look good, guys. It doesn't look strong because we went to 60k. From 60k, we cannot, until now, we couldn't make a significant bounce. It's just so weak. The bulls cannot make a bounce. They cannot go up. We should at least push up. The bulls should push up until 64 at least to come back in the FOMO modes that everybody was the last week. And now everybody is crying, guys. Everybody is crying and asking for their mothers. Let's see. Let's go to the indicators, guys. The MACD. It's going a little bit down here, guys. The MACD doesn't look so well in the weekly because look, it was going up. It looked like we're gonna cross the MACD, and when we cross the weekly MACD, guys, this is gonna be a good end of the year, guys. Just we need to have a little bit more patience because right now it looks like it's going a little bit more down. And let's see how far it can go, guys. We are prepared. We are not in panic like the most traders now. We are calm, we are relaxed, and we analyze the charts so we can make a good plan, guys, together. Okay, the CMF, let's see, it's also going a little bit down. The RSI, guys, it looks like we are going under the yellow line, what's not good. We should stay above the yellow line because that's the average line, the yellow line. And so let's see what's gonna happen now. We go to the daily chart, guys, or the 4 days first, sorry. The 4 days charts, it looks bad, guys. It looks not so good. It looks like we're gonna make a move down. We're gonna make a move down, maybe at 50, 58 maybe. I think we can have some support at 50, around 58. For a bullish count, we need at least break the half of this other candle, and from there we need to go up. But for now, it's 3 days left. The close was so bad, guys. The close of the 4 days yesterday, it was so bad. It's not looking good, guys. The wick what you see here, it's very short. A short wick, it's never good. You can better have long wick like this to push up, because a short wick is just saying that the bears have more control than the bulls. For people that don't know what is bulls and what is bears, for the new guys, bears are the guys that shorting and they betting that the market, that the price go down, and bulls are betting that the price goes up. So they are betting that the price of Bitcoin goes up, so they win. So that's the difference about bears and bulls. Have a look. Let's go have a look at the MACD. The MACD, it looks like it's crossed. That's good, but it goes now a little bit down. Let's hope that it doesn't cross this red line. If it does cross the red line, it's not good, guys. The CMF, the cash money flow, it's going a little bit down, and the RSI, it's staying on the yellow line, I think. Sorry. It's staying at the yellow line, above the yellow line still, so that's a good sign. Let's see if we can keep above the yellow line, or we're gonna test maybe a little lower, maybe at the 42, 43. That's realistic that it happens. Let's go to the daily chart, because in the daily chart we can make we can see things a little bit more clearly. The 4 days and the weekly, it's more like from a zoom out. So we see the market from a realistic view, but the daily, you can see it more at the more short-term time frames and short-term actions. So what I see here, guys, I see some support line what we can make. Look, from here, we can go, never break a close, guys, with the line what you do. Never break a close. You can never break a close. So you should always be under the closing line. Or if it's a downward trend above the candle close. So this is a very clear support line, guys. What we can put here, and look where will be the support. The support will be at, if it's today, it will be at, let's say, around 58k. Maybe a little wick down, it's possible. Maybe we go to 57 even. A little wick down, it's possible for the panic sellers. You have always some panic sellers, guys. Somebody like this wick what you see are the panic sellers. This wick what you see were the panic sellers. You have always some panic sellers. Because we have all kind of people with all kind of different mindset and way of thinking. Nobody is the same, guys. It's like your fingerprint is not the same. It's the same like your brains are not the same. So everybody thinks a little bit different. But the major people that think a little bit in the same are the people that inside they make the decisions inside the closed candles. And there are always some extreme guys that you see in the wicks. See the wicks like the extreme people. Look, so we took this line. This is the support line. So I think we get some good support at 58k. Maybe, guys, maybe. We don't know yet, but there is a big probability that 58k, 57k, 58k will be the bottom, guys, the bottom of the end of the Q4, the bottom of the Q4. It can be really a 60, a 58, and from there we go up and we break it, and we for a long time we will not see anymore the 58k. But I say this with a big but. This downwards channel, guys, this downwards channel, if we break this support line, guys, prepare for lower prices, because then the price can go to, then we can easy reach, let's say, between 53k and 49k. 53k and 49k is the next destination if we lose this support line. If we lose this support line, so let that be very clear, guys, it's important. If we lose this support line from here, if we make one daily close under this support line, like if we come under and we make a wick, it's a wick, and we go up and we doesn't close under, that's fine, we go up. But if we close one candle under this support line, guys, personally, if I was in the market, I will take all my money out. I will go all in cash, because this going more down. And from here, guys, look, if we lose this support here, from here to here, it's a 14%, it's a 13-14%, and even if you can lower to 15%, that's a big amount, guys. Like that's an amount that you don't want to be in the market at this moment. So when you see the bulls lost control from this line, we go down. The chance is big, probability is big that we go down. Like then I waiting for the 50k, around 50k, guys. The MACD doesn't look good, it's crossed already. The CMF looks horrible, it looks like we go under the 0 line. The RSI doesn't look good, it doesn't look strong. Like you also can see, wick above, the bulls couldn't take control. Look, wick couldn't take control. Like if we lose now the 60k for the third time, if we're gonna retest it for the third time, guys, it's weak, it's super weak. It's like, see it like a thin glass where a bulldozer need to ride above, and it doesn't, and it should not break. That's the situation if we come again in this 60k now. And it can happen today, guys. It really can happen today. Be prepared. Be very cautious now, guys. The 4 hours, guys, it looks like we're gonna break this 60k, guys. It really looks like if it doesn't break this 60k and we go from here up, I think the probability is really 20% that we go up and 80% that we're gonna break this 60,000, and then we go to 58,000. Let's say in probability, in percentage way, that we're gonna hold support here. For me, it's 70% at 57, 58k. And if we break around it, I see that like a 25% chance that we go into the 50k. And if we go into the 50k, it's also good, because if you have some money left, guys, then it's a good time. Personally, for me, my decision, it's a good time for buying, because I don't think we go more than 50k. Like looking time wise in the market, there is not even more time that we break the 57k. But you never know. Can always be something crazy, some black swan, or I don't know what can happen. You never know, and then we can push it to the 50k. And that's also a 25% what I give it, a 25-30%, and a 70% I give it that we hold support at 57, 58. And from there, we push it up again and try to break this 6-7 months downward sloping channel. Let's go to the hourly, guys. For the short guys, they want to see the hourly, of course. The hourly, you see it here, was an MRI sell. It means, like, for my indicator, it means we go down here. There is a little support at 60,500. If we lose 60,500, we go direct to 60,000. If we cannot hold 59,800, guys, next destination, it's 58, 57k, guys. And if we cannot hold the 57, 58k, Next destination, next station is 50K, guys. Okay, that's what's for Bitcoin. I hope you guys could get some interesting information about it. That's my opinion about the market right now. If you have some questions about it, feel free to ask it in the comments. I always try to give a good answer at your questions, because my subscribers, I love you guys. I have a big love for you, and together I want to make a nice community, a nice channel where we have good love, good motivation, where we can motivate each other, so we can reach financial freedom, guys. I think it's important. I wanna learn you guys how to get financial freedom, because what's more important in life than being free, doing what you want to do? Don't be obligated to do things what you don't want to do. Like, for me, time is very important in my life, more important than anything, guys, because time you cannot buy, the rest you can all buy. Okay, guys, we go to Hoppy, guys. Hoppy time. Hoppy, it was breaking out. Look, it went up to 176, three zeros after the point, comma, however you want to say it. And we are going now a little back. From this point, guys. I think each pullback for Hoppy, it's opportunity to buy in. If you didn't buy in Hoppy, my personal opinion, like what you do, it's what you do with your money. My money is my money, your money is your money. You decide what you do. I just give here I just telling here what I will do. I am not a financial advisor. I don't want to give financial advice to nobody, because in the end, your money is your money and you should do whatever you want to do with it. But for me, actually, each pullback, it's a chance to buy in, because this coin, guys, like, okay, if you don't have a lot of money, let's say you have 200 euro or you have 500 euro or you have 1,000 euro or dollar, whatever, whatever currency. If you don't have a lot of money and you put it in Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin go to 120K. Like, you can make money with it. You double your money. It's nice. I mean, it's better than put it in the bank, because in the bank, it's just going lower with the inflation. But with Hoppy, guys, you have they give you some opportunity that your money can maybe go 10 times, 50 times, 100 times. Maybe if it get a big exchange, if it gets inside a big exchange, maybe it can go even more, 200 times, 300 times your money, guys. This is crazy. In the beginning, I knew a guy, like, he was also in Hoppy. He put like 250 euro, a guy from the gym where I go. He put 250 euro in Hoppy in the very, very beginner stage. It was maybe in May. And this guy, he made from this 300, 200, 300, 400 euro, what he put it inside. He go in the top from when Hoppy was at the top at 2. We are now near the top. He had 18K, guys. With the 300-400 euro, he made 18K. And that is really a lot. He didn't took it out. He say, I just hold it because I put just a little amount in it, and I think Hoppy will go more up. And it's his decision. It's good, and I think he will go more up. A holder, guys, holding, it can be sometimes very good. Sometimes holding in the long term, it will be even better than going outside the market. It depends from person to person how much you are in the market. But for people that don't looking in the market so much, maybe holding is a good strategy. Just you need, of course, sometimes stay inside the market, look a little bit what will happen. So let's see where Hoppy maybe can pull back. Like you see this wick means some people, they sold here because they saw some potential to sell a little pullback. They're gonna buy in again. We have support at 156. The next support what we can reach is 138, and maybe a wick to 124. Like a buy at 124 is super nice. The second good buy, it's at 139. And maybe it doesn't even reach this. Maybe Hoppy says, okay, guys, it's enough pullbacks. We just from here, they don't gonna give you more chances to go pull back. And the FOMO, it's already in Hoppy. FOMO is in Hoppy, guys. FOMO, I see it already in I heard it. The people hearing the noise of Hoppy. Hoppy it's making his name, guys. Hoppy it's ready to move his name up, and it's also thinking about the team behind it, the Hoppy army, the investors, the community. They are all strong. What I noticed from Hoppy, guys, from you, Hoppy, we are all in the Hoppy army. We are all Hoppy boys. Like we have a lot of faith in Hoppy, and I don't see that in other altcoins so much. In other altcoins, the people are very like, it can go up, it can go down. You have a lot of sellers, you have a lot of shorters, a lot of bears. But in Hoppy, I have a sense it's one big family. Hoppy, I think it's one big family, and in the end, I hope we all gonna celebrate with a good money profit what we get from it. So I'm in Hoppy, guys. I don't gonna sell Hoppy anymore. The only thing what I will do, it's each pullback buy a little bit, and I don't gonna sell it even at the when it comes at the all-time high again, and we cross this and we close above it, guys. Prepare, because this thing can go like a rocket. Let's look at the 1 day maybe with the Hoppy. Hoppy looks good, guys. Each day it's going up and up and up. You can see it. It looks great. Hoppy looks great. Hoppy is coming, guys. It's look, guys, in the weekly. This is very important. This is the weekly. In 3 days and 16 hours, the weekly close. Guys, if we close about 160, this coin, I bet this coin will break the previous highs, and it will go much more up. So Hoppy army, you made a good choice, guys. You made a good choice. We made all together a good choice. And in this channel, subscribe please, like please, so these words go around from Hoppy, and maybe we can make more people happy with Hoppy, and they go inside Hoppy and we can help them. You can help it with a like, with a subscribe, mouth to mouth. Everybody can do something, guys, to promote a little bit this coin. Let's this be clear, guys. I don't get no money from Hoppy or from the project. I just like this coin. I like the way it goes. And I just have love for this coin. That's why I spread this. And let's be honest, guys, I made some good profit with Hoppy, and that's also why I like the coin. And I think this was not the end. I think Hoppy have a future. Hoppy have a future to become Pepe. Who knows, guys? Who knows? I wish you all a great, fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I see the subscribers is really going up well. I like your comments. I like the community. I like the guys what's following me. I like this all. Big love for you guys. And I'm gonna bring really nice videos for you daily. I take 1, 2, 3 hours to make the video. And beside that, I'm all the day in the market, guys. Crypto is my life. Bitcoin is my life. And meme coins is my life. And maybe soon, Hoppy stays in my life, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.